I'm Prachi Gupta. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur has come up with a portable device that can do a test for coronavirus infection in a much cheaper and faster way. The device just takes an hour to produce the result. The cost per test through this device is just 400 rupees.
Most accepted accurate technology is the RT-PCR test, which is the only gold standard test, but the problem is that it is expensive, it takes time, and it requires very elaborate laboratory infrastructure to do the test. So clearly, while this test is expected to be a very accurate test, but it cannot be used for a large population because there are many places where such sophisticated setup is not available. Skilled technicians are not available.
The entire test of the extracted RNA from the patient's saliva samples can be conducted in an ultra low-cost portable enclosure as an alternative to specialized laboratory equipment. The same portable unit can be used for a large number of tests by replacing the paper cartridge after each test. The device has similar accuracy and sensitivity as that of RT-PCR test and does not require specialized manpower for its operation. The device costs just 2,000 rupees as against the RT-PCR machine which costs 15 lakhs. The device has an application through which the results can be directly sent to the patient's smartphone.
So in this machine you give this RNA as input and some other reagents which we call as kit as input, and within 40 to 50 minutes you get the output which you visualize in the form of a color developed on a strip of paper, a simple strip of paper which is just like a pregnancy test kit.
Testing remains the mainstay to contain the spread of the virus. However, the cost of RT-PCR restricts the mass testing for the infection. The affordable device invented by the IIT Kharagpur researchers will help the country to speed up its testing capacity at lesser price.
Even a rural healthcare delivery personnel like a ASHA worker can just implement it step by step and do the testing in this machine, and in fact one can have a video recorded demonstration of how that can be done and give it to these kind of workers.
With an increase in the use of personal protective equipment or PPE due to COVID-19, waste management of the used PPEs has emerged as a new challenge for countries around the world. Working on this problem, CSIR scientists are now working to find a way to recycle this plastic waste. 4 CSIR institutes, Pune-based National Chemical Laboratory, Dehradun-based Indian Institute of Petroleum, Durgapur-based Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, and Lucknow-based Indian Institute of Toxicology Research are working together to convert discarded PPE and other plastic waste into fuel or pellets that can be molded into automobile parts or can be used for road construction. As this waste is contagious in nature, so the institutes are also working on developing technologies to disinfect this waste first. It will ensure the safety of personnel handling this waste. Once disinfected, the plastic waste will be shredded and then agglomerated into standardized plastic pellets. These pellets will be sent to the NCL, which has a technology to test their structural and chemical properties. Based on the properties of the pellets produced, the researchers will work with industry partners to decide their potential applications. Plastic pollution remains a major environmental issue. However, with COVID-19 emergency, the use of plastic in gloves and PPEs cannot be restricted. In the wake of this, a technology is being developed at CSIR will ensure that we are able to tackle the pandemic without hurting the environment. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.